tornado watch for the following counties: Brevard and Osceola, and the coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 79, effective until 8 p.m. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This hazardous weather outlook is for East Central Florida. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. Thunderstorm impact. The atmosphere over East Central Florida is warm, moist, and unstable. Surface low pressure developing over the northeast Gulf of Mexico will move east to southern Georgia this evening, while upper level disturbances provide support for the strong convection near the Florida Big Bend at midday to hold together and push across north and central Florida this afternoon and evening. Conditions are favorable for storms to produce damaging winds around 60 miles per hour as they develop toward the east-southeast into central Florida, mainly from Brevard and Osceola counties northward. Any storms that develop out ahead of this area will be capable of acquiring rotation and may produce an isolated tornado. Individual storm movement will be rapidly toward the east-northeast at 35 to 45 miles per hour. Marine thunderstorm gust impact. Lightning storms are expected to move quickly toward the east coast at 35 to 45 miles per hour and push offshore rapidly during the mid to late afternoon. A few of these storms will be capable of producing strong wind gusts between 40 and 50 knots. Boaters on inland lakes should also be alert as storms approach quickly from the west. Hazardous boating conditions can quickly develop over lakes due to gusty winds and frequent lightning. Be prepared to seek safe harbor well before a storm reaches your area. Waterspout impact. There is a threat for isolated tornadic waterspouts as storms move off the mainland and across the intracoastal and Atlantic waters, mainly north of Sebastian Inlet. Wind and sea impact. South to southwest winds will increase 15 to 20 knots this afternoon into tonight over the offshore waters. Smart craft should exercise caution. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Another round of strong to severe storms is expected Thursday ahead of a cold front. In addition to the threat for damaging winds and isolated tornadoes, locally intense rainfall will be capable of producing temporary flooding at low-lying and poor drainage areas. Spotter information statement. Spotters are requested to monitor the weather and self-activate if needed.